fleshy fruits, also known as succulent fruits. Now, in the case of the fleshy fruit, as I have already discussed, that the pericarp, it has been differentiated into the three layers, that is epicarp, mesocarp and endocarp. In the fleshy fruits, I will be discussing first type, that is drupe. Now, in the drupe fruit, there is presence of three layers in the pericarp. पेरिकाप के अंदर 3 लेयर्स हैं और इसमें से जो इनर मोस्ट लेयर है दैट इज एंडोकार्प. एंडोकार्प इज स्टोनी इन नेचर. तो ड्रूप फ्रूट का एक मेन फीचर, एक की फीचर दैट द एंडोकार्प इज स्टोनी. नाउ दिस स्टोनी फ्रूट, दिस ड्रूप, इट इज प्रेजेंट इन मैंगो. Another example for this is coconut, then walnut, peach, pear, plum, gingifus, and almond. So, first, I will be dealing with the mango. मैंगो फ्रूट के अंदर जो आउटर मोस्ट कवरिंग है, विच फॉर्म स्किन, दिस आउटर मोस्ट कवरिंग इज एपिकार्प. राइट? एपिकार्प के बाद प्रेजेंट है फ्लैशी मेसोकार्प. यस, द एडिबल पार्ट ऑफ द फ्रूट, दैट इज fleshy mesocarp, right? This part is edible, and then inner to the mesocarp, this presence of stony endocarp. So ये है stony endocarp, which is the characteristic feature of the drupe fruit. Endocarp के अंदर present है seed. The next example which I can discuss here, that is the coconut. Now, in the case of coconut, there is presence of papery epicarp. जो epicarp है, that is papery. Yes, so this I am forming papery epicarp. एपिकार्प के बाद जो इनर साइड पर लेयर है दैट इज द मेसोकार्प, एंड इन द केस ऑफ द कोकोनट द मेसोकार्प इज फाइब्रस. यस, सो फाइब्रस मेसोकार्प. यस, तो ये मैंने बनाई है फाइब्रस मेसोकार्प. और कोकोनट से जो फाइबर हम ऑब्टेन करते हैं, दिस फाइबर इट इज नोन एज कॉयर. द फाइबर इज नोन एज कॉयर, एंड दिस फाइबर इज यूटिलाइज्ड फॉर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ मैट्स, फॉर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ रोप्स. मेसोकार्प के बाद इनर पार्ट, द इनर मोस्ट पार्ट विच इज हार्ड, विच इज स्टोनी. तो ये मैंने बनाया स्टोनी एंडोकार्प. स्टोनी एंडोकार्प के अंदर प्रेजेंट है सीड. यस, इनसाइड दिस प्रेजेंस ऑफ सीड, एंड इन द सीड द पार्ट विच इज एडिबल, द एडिबल पार्ट ऑफ द सीड, दैट इज एंडोस्पर्म. Now, it's very well known to you that in the case of coconut, there is presence of 2 types of endosperm. The endosperm which is present towards the outer side, that is solid, and towards the inner side, that is liquid, and that liquid endosperm, it is known as coconut milk. So, it should be very much clear कि mango के अंदर जो part edible है, that is pericarp. The part of the pericarp which is edible, that is mesocarp. But in the case of the coconut, the mesocarp is fibrous, and the part which is edible in the fruit, that is endosperm. तो यहां पर mesocarp fibrous है, that's why the coconut, it is also known as fibrous drupe. Got this? Now the another example which I have cited for the drupe, that is almond and walnut. So almond and walnut, they are not dry fruits, they are fleshy fruits. And in the case of the fleshy fruits, you know that one of the feature which can be present, that is the pericarp, it is differentiated into the 3 layers. तो देखिए आलमंड के अंदर क्या कंडीशन है, आलमंड के अंदर जो एपिकार्प है दैट इज वेलवेटी, मेसोकार्प इट इज हार्ड, और ड्रूप का जो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर है, यस, व्हाट इज द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर ऑफ द ड्रूप, दैट इज द एंडोकार्प इज स्टोनी. ना आलमंड के अंदर जो पार्ट एडिबल है, द एडिबल पार्ट ऑफ द almond, that is seeds. Now in the case of the walnut, again I will be writing here the edible part, the part which is edible, that is cotyledons. So this is all about the drupe fruit. After the drupe, I will be starting with the second type of the fleshy fruit, that is berry. Now the berry fruit, it can be formed from superior or inferior gynoecium. अगर बेरी इंफीरियर गाइनोशियम से फॉर्म होगी तो इसको हम कहेंगे फॉल्स बेरी, and if it is formed from superior gynoecium, then it is true berry. Now the false berry, it is present in guava, banana, and the true berry, it is present in grapes, tomato, chilies, brinjal. Now in the case of the true berry, almost all parts of the fruit, they are edible. Yes, all parts of fruit, they are edible. Except the seeds. Generally जो berry है, that is a multi-seeded fruit. Yes, berry के अंदर multi-seeded condition is present, but here I will be writing few examples where there is presence of single-seeded berry. One example for this is betel nut, and another one is date palm. Now after the berry, next type of the fruit, that is papaw. Now the papaw fruit, it is formed from inferior gynoecium. Our papaw fruit is characteristic feature of Cucurbitaceae family. Now papaw के अंदर आप देखिए characteristic feature क्या है, that epicarp, that is the outermost layer of pericarp, it fuses with the thalamus. Epicarp and thalamus, they fuse, and after the fusion, the structure which is formed, the layer which is formed, that layer, it is known as exocarp. तो यहाँ पर जो outermost layer बनी है, that is exocarp, and this exocarp, it forms skin of the fruit, and this part of the fruit, it is non-edible. पेपो के अंदर जो आउटर मोस्ट कवरिंग that is exocarp, which is formed by the fusion of epicarp and thalamus, and this part of the fruit, it is non-edible, and rest of the parts except this generally they are edible in the fruit. तो इसका मतलब बेरी के अंदर हमने क्या पढ़ा? ट्रू बेरी के अंदर almost all parts of the fruit they are edible, but in the case of the pepo the exocarp is non-edible. That's why the pepo fruit, it is also known as hard-walled berry. Exocarp non-edible है. That's why also known as hard-walled berries. Right. So this is present in Cucurbitaceae family. In the Cucurbitaceae family, one example I will be citing here, that is cucumber. And in the cucumber, the part which is edible, that is mesocarp, endocarp, and young seeds. Right? Now the next example for this is bottle gourd. Now in the bottle gourd, the parts which are edible, again they are same, skin को छोड़कर बाकी जितने भी parts fruit के अंदर present है, they are edible. Now next example, that is watermelon. Now in the watermelon, now the parts which are edible, that is endocarp and placenta. तो watermelon के अंदर जो mesocarp है, that is non-edible. Next example is melon. In the melon, the part which is edible, that is mesocarp and endocarp. And you please keep this in mind कि melon के अंदर जो part non-edible है, that is placenta along with the skin. So this is very much clear. So watermelon के अंदर the part which is edible, that is endo and placenta, but in the melon the placenta is non-edible. Now after the pepo fruit, now next category which I will be starting here, that is pome fruit. Now this pome fruit, again it is formed from inferior gynoecium. Inferior gynoecium और इस fruit के अंदर present है pseudocarpic condition. Yes, it is a false fruit. It is a pseudocarpic fruit, and this pseudocarpic fruit, it is present in apple and pear. And it is very well known to all of you, in apple and pear, the part which is edible, that is fleshy thalamus. Now after the pome, now next category which I will be starting here, that is Hesperidium fruit. So let's start with the Hesperidium fruit. Now this Hesperidium fruit, it is formed from superior gynoecium. और Hesperidium fruit के अंदर epicarp and mesocarp, they fuse and form skin of fruit, that is known as rind. एपिकाप और mesocarp fuse करेंगे और बनाएंगे skin covering of the fruit, and this type of the fruit, it is present in citrus. Now here I will be making the diagram of the Hesperidium. तो ये मैंने बनाई है outermost covering, that is the rind formed by the fusion of epi and meso, right? एपी और मीजो फ्यूज कर गए. अब उसके अंदर की तरफ कौन सी लेयर होगी? दैट इज एंडोकार्प. नाउ एंडोकार्प क्या करेगा, पूरे फ्रूट को डिवाइड कर देगा कंपार्टमेंट्स के अंदर। तो ये मैंने बनाया एंडोकार्प, yes, this is endocarp, and endocarp, it projects inward. It projects inward and divide the whole fruit into the chambers, into the locules. And inside the locule, the part which is present, that is edible. Inside the locule, there is presence of edible part, and that edible part is juicy unicellular placental hairs. Yes, so in the fruit, the part which I have just formed, this is edible part of the citrus fruit, and what this edible part is, it is juicy unicellular placental hairs. Right? Now after the Hesperidium, next category of the fruit, that is the Blosta. Now the Blosta, it is a fruit which is formed from inferior gynoecium. This fruit is present in pomegranate. तो देखिए अब pomegranate के अंदर कैसी कंडीशन होगी। पॉमग्रेनेट के अंदर ये जो मैंने ऊपर ये पार्ट बनाया, दिस इज परसिस्टेंट कैलिक्स, एंड दिस इज द कवरिंग ऑफ द फ्रूट. दिस कवरिंग इट इज फॉर्म्ड ड्यू टू द फ्यूजन ऑफ एक्सोकार्प एंड मेसोकार्प. नाउ द मेसोकार्प, it projects inward. Yes, it will also project inward, and due to its projection, it will break the fruit into the compartments, or you can say it will form chambers in the fruit. तो आप देख रहे हैं जो मेसोकार्प है वो अंदर की तरफ ग्रोथ शो कर रहा है, जिसकी वजह से फ्रूट इट इज फॉर्मिंग चैम्बर्स. अब चैम्बर्स के अंदर प्रेजेंट है सीड. Yes, so in the chambers there is presence of seeds. Now in the seeds, the part which is edible, that is seed coat. In the seed coat there is presence of two layers. The outer layer of the seed coat, it is testa, and the inner one, it is known as tegmen. तो seed coat में दो layers है, outer testa, inner tegmen, and you please keep this in mind. The part which is edible, which is juicy, that is testa. Now यहाँ पर मैंने बना दिया मेसोकार्प. Yes, यहाँ पर हम बना चुके हैं सीड्स, और एक पेरिकार्प की जो कवरिंग यहां पर हमने फॉर्म नहीं करी है, दैट इज द इनर मोस्ट कवरिंग, दैट इज एंडोकार्प. नाउ एंडोकार्प इट इज पेपरी, एंड दिस इज एंडोकार्प, इट इज कवरिंग द सीड्स. यस, सो पेपरी एंडोकार्प which is covering the seeds. So it is very much clear that exocarp, mesocarp, they will form the skin of the fruit. Then the mesocarp, it will grow inward, divide the fruit into the chambers. In the chamber, there is presence of seeds, and in the seed, the part which is edible, that is the outermost layer of the seed coat, that is testa. Seeds के ऊपर बनाई है papery covering, which is representing endocarp. Now, after the blosta, now the last type of the fleshy fruit. So, the last type of the fleshy fruit is Amphisarca. Amphisarca, it is formed from superior gynoecium. Amphisarca के अंदर apicarp is stony. The outermost layer that is stony और apicarp को छोड़कर बाकी जितने भी पार्ट फ्रूट के अंदर प्रेजेंट हैं, they are edible, like the mesocarp, endocarp and placenta. So the edible part of the fruit is mesocarp, endocarp and placenta. And for the Amphisarca, the example is wood apple, elephant apple. So this is okay. तो यहां पर मैंने डिस्कस करे हैं डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ द फ्लैशी फ्रूट, सक्कुलेंट फ्रूट. तो यहां पर जितने भी सक्कुलेंट फ्रूट्स पढ़े हैं उसमें से कौन कौन सा फ्रूट है विच इज फॉर्म फ्रॉम इंफीरियर गाइनोशियम. यस, वी कैन नोट दिस डाउन हियर. इंफीरियर गाइनोशियम से कौन कौन सा फ्रूट बना? वन इज पेपो, another one is pome, then this one that is ballasta, and in the case of the berry, that is the false berry. False berry, it is formed from inferior gynoecium. Right? So this is all about the simple fruit. Simple के अंदर हमने पढ़ा dry fruit and then we have studied fleshy fruit. Now I will be discussing aggregate fruit here.